Welcome to AS Autos. In this video, we dive into one of the most graceful and intelligent sedans of 2026, the all-new Volvo S90. Known for its understated luxury and legendary safety, the S90 enters the future with more refinement, advanced technology, and electrified performance. If you're a fan of quiet sophistication with cutting-edge engineering, the 2026 Volvo S90 deserves your attention. A fresh design language, Scandinavian minimalism at its best. The 2026 S90 showcases the next evolution of Volvo's "less is more" philosophy. From its redesigned Thor's Hammer LED headlights to the sleek, sculpted body lines, the new S90 is a perfect example of Scandinavian restraint and elegance. The chrome elements are now more subdued, replaced with matte aluminum accents for a cleaner, modern appearance. A longer wheelbase and aerodynamic improvements give the car a more commanding road presence while improving fuel efficiency. Electrified powertrain, powerful, smooth, and green. Volvo is on track to become a fully electric brand by 2030, and the 2026 S90 proves it's serious. Buyers can now choose between a plug-in hybrid variant and a fully electric S90 Recharge model. The hybrid variant features a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine paired with a powerful electric motor, delivering a combined 375 horsepower. The all-electric model boasts dual motors and all-wheel drive, putting out 402 horsepower and a range of up to 520 kilometers on a single charge. Both versions offer smooth acceleration, whisper-quiet rides, and ultra-low emissions, the perfect combination for modern urban and highway driving. Interior. The lounge on wheels. Step inside the 2026 S90, and you're welcomed by a cabin that feels more like a premium lounge than a car. Volvo has replaced traditional materials with eco-friendly, sustainable alternatives like wool blends, responsibly sourced wood, and vegan leather. The highlight. The updated Google-integrated infotainment system on a 14-inch vertical touchscreen that supports voice commands, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and real-time Google Maps navigation. The rear seats are where luxury shines, with available reclining function, massage features, and individual climate zones, making it ideal for executives and long-distance travelers. Safety and autonomy, a Volvo hallmark. Volvo continues to lead the industry in safety, and the 2026 S90 is no exception. It features Pilot Assist 3.0, offering semi-autonomous highway driving, lane centering, and adaptive cruise control. Other highlights include 360-degree camera with obstacle detection, cross-traffic alert with auto braking, pedestrian and cyclist detection with night vision, driver monitoring system that alerts for drowsiness and distraction. The S90's safety suite isn't just impressive, it's intelligent and proactive, protecting not just passengers but also pedestrians and other road users. Ride quality and driving dynamics, comfort above all. The 2026 Volvo S90 prioritizes comfort without becoming dull. Thanks to its adaptive air suspension, the car soaks up potholes and road imperfections effortlessly. Steering is light yet precise, perfect for city driving or long highway cruises. Whether you're sitting behind the wheel or being chauffeured, the S90 delivers a plush, serene ride that few rivals can match. Pricing and variants, premium, but justified. The base plug-in hybrid variant starts at around $62,000 USD, while the fully electric S90 Recharge begins at $72,000 USD. Volvo offers 3 trims. 1. Momentum, clean design, essential luxury. 2. Inscription, premium features with custom interiors. 3. Recharge Ultimate, full EV with all bells and whistles, including Harman Kardon audio and panoramic roof. Each trim is packed with value, offering more tech and refinement compared to German competitors at a similar or lower price points. Why the 2026 S90 stands out. In a market flooded with luxury sedans that scream for attention, the Volvo S90 quietly demands respect. It doesn't chase trends, it sets them. With a commitment to safety, sustainability, and serene driving, the 2026 S90 is a top contender for anyone looking to invest in a future-ready executive sedan. Final thoughts. The silent statement. At AS Autos, we believe the 2026 Volvo S90 represents everything a modern luxury car should be: smart, sustainable, and sophisticated. It doesn't just move you from point A to point B, it changes how you feel about the journey. Whether you're driving or being driven, the S90 delivers a premium experience that is unmistakably Volvo. Outro. Thank you for watching As Autos. If you enjoyed this in-depth review of the 2026 Volvo S90, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert insights and reviews on the latest cars shaping the future.